but it's you who has further to come. Go down and I'll breathe life. Let's get the stone, don't break my bones. You shoot me down, but I machine guns ain't got the ones who run so hard like a bulletproof vest. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium. Shoot me down. Auntie Vivian and Uncle Robert, thank you so much. Nikki, Auntie, and Uncle Loren, thank you so much for having me once again and making. It's been 2 years I've been part of the Prima Donna family, so thank you so much. At sa ating mga sales ladies dyan, congratulations. You guys deserve the credit for doing a great job this year. Maligayang Pasko po! Merry Christmas! Thank you all!
Ann Curtis! Alright.
Ann Curtis, maraming salamat po. Ayun, bonggang-bongga binigay sa ating regalo ni Miss Ann Curtis this Christmas. Ayan. Palakpakan na lang po ulit. Oo, nakakaloka. Oo.
Nakita mo yun? Isipin nyo ha? Live singing. Live in Vernon. The future making of a certified diva. Wow! So ngayon naman, ladies and gentlemen, ayan ha, pagkatapos mo ng isang powerful intermission number from Miss Ann Curtis, ito naman ang isa pang dance number from SM Fairview.
SM Fairview! Nasaan na po sila? Yan. Kailangan na po natin ulit ng ating ilaw.
SM Fairview.
Oo. Baka mamaya pag ganitong ilaw, nagsama sa yung SM Fairview, nagmumukha ka ng spirit of the glass. Ayan. Pa!
Asa na po? Masyadong starstruck na yata sila SM Fairview. Wala. And of course, tatbay ha, mamaya po after this number, the announcement of our best in costume.
Wow! Okay. Ayan na ang ilaw natin.
Ang ganda ng aura, no?
Ayan na, kuha kayo ng mga picture. Mga etusera kayo, wala naman kayo memory card.
Nakakaloka ito mo. Alright. Tinatawagan po natin ang SM Fairview. Tapos standby po sa ating mga maglalaro ha. Pero before yun, meron tayong announcement of best in costume.
Yes, yes, yes.